All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. I'm going to have to give it to PTSD with Juice, Uzi, Chance the Rapper, and G Herbo. Obviously, Juice WRLD is the best part. I'm going to have to give it to Uzi next, Chance the Rapper after that, and then G Herbo. I don't know, I don't really listen to G Herbo like that. If I'm being honest, the song would be a little bit better without him, but obviously it is his song, so shout out him. Amazing song. Juice WRLD killed it, Uzi killed it. They pretty much all killed it. Go listen to it. It's awesome. It's definitely sad because of obviously what happened with Juice and what he's saying in the song, but amazing song. Go listen to it. And let's actually take a look at these shoes. Okay, so obviously we're going to be taking a look at the Fire Red Force today, but as you can see, it's just a regular Jordan 4 box, but something that you may not notice, that they actually did something different. This box is so much better quality than a regular Jordan 4 box, and you can't really tell, but like the bottom is more like hard. Like overall, like the cardboard is just better quality. Like it's just so much more smooth. Really good quality box, and I gotta give it up to Jordan Brand, man. Like they did something, like they didn't do anything with the box per se, but the quality is just so much nice, and like you gotta point that out, man. Obviously, Fire Red. I got a size 10. I hit on the shock drop. Paid $200. I believe it was $219 or $17 after tax and shipping. Obviously that will change depending on where you live. Go true to size when you buy Jordan 4s. I actually didn't because I couldn't get a size 9, but you know, a size 10 will work, man. Like I'll make it work. It's not that big of a deal. It's only a size extra, you know. Put crease protectors in. I'll wear 2 socks, or I'll just wear thick socks. Like, you know, like you got to do what you got to do sometimes. And as you can see, they actually did something different with the paper. They actually have like the little like cement marks on it. So again, something cool, something extra, something special for the Black Friday shoe. Got the, again, these are a month early, man. So I'm really happy I hit on the shock drop. Definitely just a really dope pair of shoes. And here, let me pull these out for you guys. Again, man, like it's kind of weird like to see like such a good quality box with Jordan Brand. So like, you know, I gotta appreciate the box. It's really nice. And a lot of people were wondering like what color this red is, because in some pictures, even some pictures now, it looks kind of pink, which is weird because that's never happened before, where like the shoe actually looked kind of pink and it was a completely different color. Like it's crazy, but it is Fire Red. It's like the original red on like every other Jordan 4 Fire Red. So guys, don't be worried about it. I know I definitely saw like some pinkish colors, and I was worried. Like I was definitely considering not picking it up just because of the red. Like, but no, it's fire. You know, it's awesome. Let me spin these around for you guys. Just a really dope shoe, guys, and to have it a month early, that it feels nice, man. I'm so happy I hit on the shock drop. For the leather, quality wise, it's pretty soft. It's not anything terrible. It's not the best like shattered backboard, but you know, it's okay. It gets the job done. This definitely isn't like no I believe the last time these released was in 2013, and the leather quality on those was terrible. So it's a lot better than that leather. Obviously this is gonna crease, you're gonna be able to see it. So leather quality, it's okay. Nothing terrible, but it's good. Okay, let me actually show you guys the shoe by itself. I always drop shoes, man, but here, let's just take a look at it. Really dope. One of the best Jordan 4s of all time. I'm super happy I was able to pick this shoe up for retail. Just a really dope pair of shoes, man. And let's actually take a look at these on feet. But before we do that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's take a look at these on feet.
I